Hey guys, today I'm sharing this video about my phone. This happened to me today. My phone turned off half a day, but I want to share with you. Just get plug in the charger into your phone. You can do what I'm doing, then press the up and down button quickly. Hold on the power, and it's gonna take like a few minutes, and you have to really wait and be patient. You can see what I'm doing. You just need to be patient with it. In the background, those are my two little ones. They're trying to say something. Yeah, it's so miserable, but you guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, to leave a comment, and to subscribe. Yeah, you can still press up, down, and hold on the power button. Keep on waiting. Takes few minutes. See guys, it worked. My storage was full, so I had to delete videos and pictures and some apps which I was not using. You guys, you can do the same. It's gonna help you a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.